welcome to Catherine the Paints. Tonight I'm going to pour a couple of tiles with the bloom technique with a topper of a different color. So this time we are doing it in purple. I'm going to use red Liquitex Basics Crimson and Primary Elements Daffodil, along with this purple as the topper, and we will see how that turned out. This topper just has water in it too, so we will see. It's an experiment. This is my usual pillow paint, my house paint, with just a tiny bit of floetrol in it. Just pop in a few of the bubbles. Alright, so I think I will do the red first. Uh-oh. A little bit of daffodil. And then I'm going to put a little bit more red, and then I'm going to put the purple topper on. There we go. All right, let's see how this just water does. On the next one, I may put a little bit of the Minwax on it. We'll see. I want to give it a fair chance, and I don't know if with just water, if it will have good results. So actually, I want to put another drop. Let's see. All right. I'm going to blow it out. We are getting cells. They look pretty. You can see that. Okay. Now I'm going to continue blowing it out a little bit. All right, I think I really like that, actually. I think I'm going to do a second one with, I'm going to add a couple of drops of the Minwax just to see what it does. The Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner is what we're going to use. Just 2 drops in this. So 1, 2. That easy. This stuff is stinky, so I recommend closing it back up immediately. Okay, so I'm just going to mix that in. All right, let's put the pillow paint down. Gonna have to get out my house paint and refill, because I am about out in this cup. All right. All right. I think we'll put it down in the same order just to see how the Minwax does different. So put the red down. Put the daffodil down. A little bit more red. And then put the purple topper. All right. I'm going to move this one over a little bit. All right, I'm going to blow straight down. Whoa. All right. There are the cells with that, with a little bit of Minwax. So this is the Liquitex Basics Dioxazine purple paint with water in it and 2 drops of the Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner. All right, so we're going to give this one a couple minutes to sit, and we'll stretch this one out. The purple is so dark on this, it almost looks black. Okay. All right, now we're tilting back to the middle and then off that other side. All right, we've almost got this off the side. Okay. Now we are going to take it back to the middle. And this one is done. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. So, one of my subscribers and a huge supporter of my art, Cami, is the one who asked me to do colors on my toppers for the bloom technique. So we are going to try out several different colors this week. So I thought, why not start out with purple? I needed to do a red tile, and I thought, wow, I haven't done the red and the purple together recently at all. So I wanted to try that. All right, I think that one is done. What do you guys think? All right, let's stretch this one. This one does not have as much pillow paint on the bottom. I hope it moves. I hope it flows. Okay. Tilting it back to the middle before I start going to the other corners, because it'll get all wonky if you don't take the time to put it back in the middle. You don't want it wonky. You don't want a wonky donkey. Have you guys heard that children's book read by, I believe it's like a Scottish grandmother? She is wonderful. She is amazing. She is so funny. She's reading this story to her grandkid, and it's just a wonky donkey. Well, I said it was a Texas accent. Wish I had gotten out more pillow paint. I'm definitely gonna have to do that before I can do anything else. All right. Let's get back to the middle. And over that edge. So I really encourage you guys to experiment and see what works best for you guys. Do you like it better with water only? Do you like it better with the Minwax pre-wood conditioner? Do you like it better with the floetrol? How do you like it? And experiment with different colors and layer them differently. I know I've layered these both the same because I wanted to see kind of all the other things being equal with the Minwax pre-wood conditioner, make a difference. So, but yeah, it's all about the experimenting and learning and having fun. Now if I could just get this to go over. If I could just go over the edge. There. I think that little bit of extra paint helped it go. Awesome. Okay. Now let's not drop it. I'm going to tilt it back to the middle. Really do not like that one little spot right there. Do you see it? There's no silicone in any of this. I don't use silicone, but it looks kind of like a silicone spot. That, I wonder if I dripped. Didn't see it, but it'll be on the video if I did. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more paint right there and help this just flow off. Hopefully, that's the theory. The weight of that should help pull it off. Hopefully. Yeah, this is really taking a toll on the shapes. Come on, go, go, go. If I cheered on, do you think it'd go? This is a sporting. All right, now we're gonna tilt it one more time, back to the middle. I did get that weird dot off, so that makes me happy. Throughout this next week and see what we get. The purple's really, really dark. Looks almost like black. All right. Okay. I think I am done messing with it. I will bring you in for a close-up. All right, here's the first tile, the one that was on the right. See the daffodil, how it is sparkly? It's like a gold color. That primary elements has a almost glitter effect to it. Isn't that pretty? I think it turned out real good. There's a glare from the light overhead, but it also allows you to see the gold shimmer. All right, this is the one that was on the left. See the purple that showed up over there from the topper? And that daffodil is all through it. That shimmer is so pretty. All right, so there's the second tile. There they are, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos, and be inspired.